Lean manufacturing. Leveling the playing field for SMEs. SMEs are the backbone of many economies. They face unique challenges in today's competitive landscape. Large corporations have more resources and expertise. SMEs can struggle to compete. Lean manufacturing offers a solution. Originating from Toyota, Lean emphasizes efficiency and waste reduction. Its principles are adaptable and beneficial for SMEs. Lean can be impactful in smaller organizations due to their agility. Decisions are made quickly, and feedback loops are shorter. This enables SMEs to adapt rapidly to market changes. By adopting Lean, SMEs can optimize operations and improve quality. Ultimately, they can achieve a competitive edge.
Understanding the essence of Lean. Lean manufacturing focuses on identifying and eliminating waste. Waste, or MUDA, includes any non-value-adding activity. Lean streamlines processes by analyzing each step in the value stream. Visualizing the process reveals hidden wastes. SMEs can benefit from Lean with simple tools and techniques. Start small, focus on quick wins, and expand Lean initiatives.
Embracing Lean, a step-by-step guide for SMEs. The Lean journey begins with a commitment to change. Educate everyone about Lean principles. Understand the concept of waste and its impact on the bottom line. Select a pilot project for quick improvements. Start small to build confidence in Lean methods. Learn tools like value stream mapping and 5S. Use Kaizen for continuous improvement. Overcome cultural barriers. Open communication is vital. Employee involvement ensures Lean success.
Optimizing processes and equipment for Lean success. Once the initial training is complete, the next step is to analyze and redesign processes for better flow. This involves eliminating unnecessary steps, reducing waiting times, and optimizing the movement of materials and information. Investing in flexible and multi-purpose machines over specialized equipment can improve efficiency and reduce costs. SMEs should prioritize equipment that is easy to maintain and operate, minimizing downtime and delays. Implementing a 5S system, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, can create a clean, organized, and efficient work environment. By optimizing processes and equipment, SMEs can significantly reduce lead times, improve on-time delivery, and enhance overall productivity. Cultivating a Lean culture. The role of leadership. Implementing Lean tools and techniques is only part of the equation. True Lean success requires a cultural shift within the organization. This is where leadership plays a pivotal role. Leaders must champion the Lean philosophy and create an environment that values continuous improvement. This includes empowering employees to identify problems, suggest solutions, and take ownership of their work. Regular meetings and feedback sessions provide opportunities to discuss progress, address challenges, and ensure alignment with Lean objectives. Recognizing and rewarding successes reinforces the importance of continuous improvement.
Measuring progress and sustaining momentum. To ensure that Lean initiatives are delivering the desired results, it's essential to measure progress through the right metrics. These metrics should be aligned with the organization's strategic goals and focus on key performance indicators, or KPIs, such as lead time, inventory turnover, defect rate, and on-time delivery. Standardizing processes is crucial for maintaining consistency and preventing backsliding into old habits. Regular audits and reviews help identify areas for improvement and ensure adherence to standards. By continuously monitoring performance and making adjustments as needed, SMEs can sustain the momentum of their Lean journey.
The journey of continuous improvement. Implementing Lean manufacturing is not a one-time project, but an ongoing journey of continuous improvement. The manufacturing landscape is constantly evolving. SMEs need to be adaptable and agile to remain competitive. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement means fostering a mindset where everyone is looking for ways to do things better, faster, and more efficiently. This involves encouraging experimentation, learning from mistakes, and constantly seeking new knowledge and best practices. By staying ahead of the curve and adapting to new challenges, SMEs can leverage lean manufacturing as a powerful tool for achieving sustainable growth and long-term success.